Hello friend, this is Ravi Singh over here. I'm back with a new lesson. This is Air Strike Practice Set English series for Air Force and Navy especially. So guys, please do practice with me and crack the exams. Guys, without wasting your time, let's start now. You are just looking on this mobile screen. Select the correct verb. Beside his parents, fill in the blanks also present at the function. समारोह में अपने माता पिता के अतिरिक्त वे भी उपस्थित थे. सो राइट आंसर विल बी बी, वॉज. बिसाइड हिज पेरेंट्स ही वॉज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट एट द फंक्शन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन. द थंडर वॉज अकैम्पेन्ड, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, अ हेवी रेन. सो राइट आंसर विल बी बी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बाई. थंडर भारी बारिश के साथ शुरू हुआ था. So right answer will be A, option number A, disparity. disparity, disparity. Disparity, विषमता, असमता. Number 4, fill in the blanks with correct article. Fill in the blanks, things of beauty is a joy forever. So article choose करना है यहाँ. Right answer will be A, ऑप्शन नंबर ए, द थिंग्स ऑफ ब्यूटी इज अ जॉय फॉर एवर. सुंदरता की चीज़ें हमेशा के लिए एक खुशी है. नंबर 5, इम्बेलिश. EMBELLISH, इम्बेलिश, अलंकृत करना, संवरना. सो राइट आंसर विल बी बी, डिसफिगर. नंबर 6, अ वेल एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन. सो राइट आंसर विल बी वेटरन. डी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी, वरिष्ठ. Number 7, an accident which result in death. Option number A, injurious, dangerous, fatal, terrible. So right answer will be C, fatal, Hindi meaning घातक. Number 8, identify the correct choice. He has purchased a bag of fill in the blanks. So right answer will be B, flour. उसने आटे के एक बैग खरीदे हैं. Number 9, jest. Identify the synonym of given word. Jest, Z-E-S-T, jest, उत्साह, दिलचस्पी. So right answer will be A, pleasure. Number 10, he will never pass, fill in the blanks, hard he may try. So right answer will be A, however. वह कड़ी मेहनत कर सकता है लेकिन वह कभी भी पास नहीं होगा. He will never pass, however hard he may try. From an adjective form the given word gold. Number 11, gold, adjective of gold. So right answer C, option number C, golden, सुनहरा. Number 12, you know that, hero and plural of hero. So you know that, option number D, heroes, HEROES, heroes. Number 13, fill in the blanks with suitable word. barking dogs seldom bite. और ये प्रोवर्ब से. Number 14, identify the incorrect part. So first you are looking in the first option, number first, no boy. It's true. In his son's class. Okay, and C, option number C will be right answer, is as bright as. My friends, as के बिफोर इज के यूज नहीं करेंगे हम लोग, वर्ब यूज नहीं करते. सो राइट आंसर विल बी सी, इज एज ब्राइट एज. नेक्स्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द मीनिंग ऑफ गिवन इडियम्स, फ्रेजेज. नंबर 15, टू लिव इन फूल्स पैराडाइज, मूर्ख को स्वर्ग में रहने के लिए. सो राइट आंसर विल बी ए, to have an absolutely false conception. Number 16, identify the indirect speech. The teacher said to me, be regular and learn your lesson daily. The teacher. So right answer will be C, the teacher advised me to be regular and learn my lesson daily. So next is here, change the voice. It is time to buy books. For the books to be bought. My friends, you are looking this passage about Hitler. You know that. Read the following passage and answer question number 18 to 20. And this passage is related to history of Hitler. I hope you read this. Question number 18. Who has no ears or eyes? Question number 18. Who has no ears or eyes? So right answer will be option number B. According to this passage, a man who has no sense of history. Number 19. Hitler displayed familiarity with. Right answer will be C. European history. And number 20. Next and last. Number 20. Hitler's sense of mission was derived from. Option number B will be right answer. His sense of history. So okay guys, I hope you like and enjoy this video with me. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video.